In this video I will show you how to make a capo only from two things. So the first thing what you need is a pen or a pencil. The second thing is a shoestring. So let's start. Here is the shoestring, here is the pen, and you have to make a knot. So like how you do it with your shoes. On one side, like this. After, let's say, you need the capo on the third fret. On the down side, you have to twist the shoestring the first side like this. After, the second side of the shoestring. After, you have to pull it enough hard to make sure that the pen press enough hard the strings. After, you have to do the same thing up here with both sides. Only one more thing what you have to do is twist it again on the down side. And this is the final process, that you have to tie it again on the back side. And you are good to go.